Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm here to explain you about GTAC Electronic Shop.com reviews. Friends, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the homepage of this website and you can see it is an online shopping store which is based in United States that deals with multiple game consoles products including electronic items like cell phones, speakers, tablets, TV and monitors, drones, accessories, headsets and various other accessories including electronic items or products. So you can find advanced Xbox Series X system bundle in accessories, AirPods with wireless charging case and AirPods Pro headphones, multiple type of Apple iPad mini, etc. So you can find your desired option by visiting the product category list. Now guys, talking about the prices of these offerings, so the prices of these offerings are too good to be true, but the prices of some offerings are pretty high. So let's talk about the payment information of this website. So guys, let's check out the payment info. Guys, the mode of payment which is available on this website is PayPal. You can make the payment via PayPal. Now let's talk about the shipping policy. So guys, for that you need to visit the shipping FAQ section and here you can find the shipping information. So guys, they have mentioned that all items sold at our shop are guaranteed to be delivered in 60 days. 120 days for Brazil, 90 days for Ecuador and Venezuela, Argentina. So guys, this is the shipping policy. You can read for your knowledge and convenience. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's move on to the important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Guys, this website is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. And talking about its domain information, guys, the domain name was created on 8th of October 2020, which means that this particular site is 2 months 14 days old, and according to our study this particular domain is registered for 1 year only. So this is not enough to judge its legitimacy. We need to discuss more factors to define its legitimacy. And let's check out the About Us page of this website. So guys, at the bottom of the web page you can read the About Us heading and they have mentioned some information which is limited. So I'm not able to find any information related to business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc. So let's check out the contact details of this website. For that you need to visit the Contact Us page. This is the Contact Us page, guys, and they have mentioned a query form including the contact number and email address. Guys, these details seems to be legit and the email which is given on this web page matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. They have also provided WhatsApp number. You can contact the customer team via WhatsApp, and this is the About Us information. You can read the limited information is available. Now talking about the social media presence, guys, you can see 4 social media icons are available on this web page, but when you will click these social media icons, you will be redirected to the Contact Us page of this website or homepage of this website. That means that these social media icons are misleading and inactive, which is a negative sign. And talking about the return and refund policy, let's check out the return and refund policy. So for that you need to visit the guarantees and return policy section. Here you can read about the return policy. But guys, when you click this option, which is guarantees and return policy, you will find nothing, and they have mentioned that you must select your brand attribute in theme settings, which is shop brands. So then you will be able to find the shipping policy of this, the return policy of this website. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product, so that as other customers will get to know about their policies. And guys, talking about the GTech electronic shop.com reviews, we have found mixed reviews, or you can say majority of negative reviews about the site on the internet. One of the customers said they do not take credit cards, but they want wire transfers to get their product. This is a scam site. Another customer gave a negative feedback and wrote, this is a scam. The only communicate through the WhatsApp, will not answer the phone, only accept wire transfer, do not provide any order confirmation or shipping tracking. So guys, negative reviews makes a confusion about its legitimacy. So we can say this website may be suspicious as well. So we do not recommend you to buy anything from this website, as it is a new website and not much popular online. We recommend you to check out the site carefully before you decide to place any order. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video guys. Hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel to get more scam alert notifications and legit informative videos. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a good day.